How to edit your Instagram bio. So if you want to edit your Instagram bio or add spaces and line breaks to your Instagram bio, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I am at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore to various reels or feeds over here. So as the first step, tap over your profile at the right bottom corner, and here you'll be able to see your profile. And also if you tap over edit profile over here, you'll be able to see your name, username, and your bio and many more. So if you want to add space and line breaks to your bio, then you need to go to certain process. So for now, let's copy the bio over here. You just can push and hold like this, and you can select all and go for copy. Now you just have to go back and you have to open up to any browser. Here I'm with Google Chrome, and in the search bar you just have to tap and search for how to apps, insert space and link breaks, and you have to be opened up to this interface. So whenever you search for that, if you see the green color cover or something like that, then you just have to tap over there and you'll be opened up to this interface. So if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see the text box. So in this section you have to paste the bio that you have copied. Simply tap over paste, and you just can enter the space like this over here, and by doing that you just can go for copy your Instagram bio. And now you just have to go back and paste the bio on your Instagram bio. Here just erase, and you just can tap over the copy and you have to paste it. And after that you just have to tap over the right option in the right over corner, and by doing that you will be able to edit your Instagram bio with adding space and line breaks. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.